This is Carl reporting for Anon's Daily Weather Report. As you can see, the visual language of Anon Mag has a very personal art direction and style, only relative to them and their strong written language. As we start looking at the opening pages of Anon, you can see the constant use of first-hand imagery relative to each page. This development from a more flat imagery to create an interactive experience, which is furthermore enhanced by a moving cover and editorials. The use of text has been carefully manipulated to allow it to be easily read online while complementing the image. Often handwritten, this adds to a slightly slapdash approach. The web design software was designed for Anon to meet their specific requirements, with a page turning option and a shaded gutter. The magazine has been incredibly interactive and easy to function.